everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about how to make $100 per day with CPAgrip and free traffic. Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with CPAgrip and free traffic. Yes guys, just like the title suggests, this is what we're going to watch in today's video on how to make $100 per day with CPAgrip and free traffic. So let me just explain to you the whole process so you don't think this is another clickbait, guys. This guy is just giving us a clickbait title and stuff like that. So I'm gonna explain to you the whole process. The first process is that we're going to create a content locker within CPAgrip itself, and then we're gonna put that content locker in our blog or website. So how we're gonna do it, how we're gonna direct our customer is we're gonna use YouTube as a medium where people are going to come into YouTube as our free traffic source, and then from YouTube we will direct them to the website. And if they come to the website from YouTube, what will happen is we will get paid by the content locker created in the CPAgrip. So this is how it all works. But don't worry guys, I know I summarize it like very simply, but I'm just going to bring you very fast into how you can actually do this live step by step with no step skip. So the first thing you gotta do is we gotta go to CPAgrip. If you don't know what CPAgrip is, CPAgrip is a very popular affiliate marketing network. It's also considered as a performance marketing network where it's very famous especially when it comes to content locker, offer wall, stuff like this. If you don't know what content locker is, basically content locker is something you should definitely you should have seen this before, guys. Have you like play a game or Mobile Legends or something like that, and then suddenly you go to the website, you get free diamond for Mobile Legends, and then you want to go to get you want to go and get that diamond, then suddenly there is a pop-up, complete this survey first to unlock the content. That is content locker, and that is what CPAgrip is popular for, and that is what we're gonna do with the CPAgrip. So this is the first thing that we got to do, guys. So we got to create our content locker. To do that, you have to get into CPAgrip. It's not that hard, guys. Just go ahead, sign up into CPAgrip, try to communicate with your affiliate manager, and he will get you access into the CPAgrip ASAP. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and contact this number over here. Tell them that you have already applied to CPAgrip, you want to get access to CPAgrip, and boom, they'll let you in. Don't worry about anything. You can even contact them through Skype or whatever else. What is this AIM? I have no idea what AIM is, guys. So yes, I have already signed up into the, our team has already signed up into the CPAgrip, and this is how the dashboard looks like. It might look a little bit pretty nasty, like everything is combined over here and everything like messy, but actually it's very easy to use, and we are going to use content locker especially. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to monetizing tool over here, and we're gonna press content lockers, and then what we're gonna do is we are going to create a new content locker. So all you gotta do is create a new content locker. Read all these, guys. These are very important terms, like what these are the important terms that you have to follow if you want to create a content with CPAgrip. One of the most important term is that do not mislead people. Do not tell them there's something there and then they finish the content, they unlock the content locker, and then there's nothing there, or fake promise. So make sure that you see it's written here, they must receive what is being promised to them on the content locker immediately after completion. So don't do stuff like broken link, misleading, false promises, stuff like that. And they don't like if you use real cash, real money, or prices. So don't use real stuff, and also don't spam if you have no rights, and all these are normal things, guys. But the most important thing is do not mislead your audience. So once you've done that, press agree to this term, continue, and then you can actually start building your content locker. The CPAgrip makes it very easy for you to build your content locker. You can actually change this whole thing over here. For example, everything is according to your creativity. So perhaps you're gonna change complete this and unlock the next step. For example, you can actually change whatever like this. I'm just showing an example, and then you can actually make it italic. You can underline this, you can make it bold. It depends on what you want to do. Totally, you can even change the color of the text. You can make this like green, then you can actually make it like red. You can even make it whatever you want, guys. You can even change the text, font stuff, all the stuff that you can actually do with the title over here. And then what you gotta do is the next thing, access time. Access time simply means that how many times one individual will actually see your content. For example, I am an individual, I am going into a website, I see this content locker, I've already done stuff that they asked to do, and I've already unlocked the content locker. So how long the content would be unlocked for me? So this is the access time. You can actually go and change it for 24 hours, you can change it forever, you can change it 1 year, 6 months, whatever you want. Usually I do forever. One time you unlock, I'm not gonna get that audience again. If you want to make more money, you can actually make it like 24 hours or even 1 hour, but people will get pissed doing unlocking your content again and again, guys. So 24 hours is good enough, but forever is good as well. So I'm just showing you on how to do it. And the next thing is allow close. Allow close means usually I press it no. So what it means is usually you can't close this content locker, right? But if you press yes, allow close, there will be a button that you can actually press close and you can actually access the content. So that's what we don't want. We want them to do that content, so we are going to put no. And then load method, what happened? Something happened in my screen, sorry. So load method would be something like page load, which means when you are redirected that page, the content locker will load, or you can do on click. So usually we'll do on page load. So tease time would be like how fast the content locker comes. So if you press tease time, I'll show you just for example 10 seconds, so it will be like super slow. You see the content locker, yeah. So that is the tease time, guys. So it actually comes very fast over here, but usually if you put 10 seconds, it will come after 10 seconds. So we're gonna put it 0. And over here the anchor text is this part over here. You can actually change this part over here, complete this and see the content. For example, I'm just showing you that you can actually change this. So you can change this, and then you can go and change other stuff as well. Let me just name the title, CPAgrip traffic. So you can actually go ahead and change the style as well. You can actually make it like, you can do a lot of stuff with CPAgrip content locker. Everything is like you just need to click it and it will change. For example, you can make this this border over here different. You can make it simple. You can make the border white. You can even make the border gray if you want to. So it totally depends on you how you want to. And now the background image is actually empty, right? You can actually put a background image if you want to as well, so no worries. And then you can change the width, you can actually change the font size, whatever I mean font type, whatever font that you want to. You can change a lot of stuff here. You can change the offer color. Offer is this, so you can change the color. Maybe I want green, for example. You can actually change it into green, and the hover color you can change it into green as well, so it will look like this. So it totally depends on how you want to customize the content locker yourself. I'm not gonna go on deep. So the next thing is mobile. Usually I enable it for mobile. And then advanced, nothing here. Usually what we will do is the unlock action. Once we have actually finished with this content locker, what will happen? You can actually put nothing will happen, or you can nothing will happen, or you can actually put a pop-up message like this protected content has been unlocked. So it depends on you, or you can redirect them to that particular URL. This usually works if you press a content locker after a click. So you click that particular link, and then they have a content locker. After you unlock the particular content locker, it will redirect you to that particular page. So this is how it works. And then there's also other templates that you can actually choose from, which makes your life very easy. For example, I choose this one, and then the whole thing will come according to the template. So there's so many things that you can actually do with CPAgrip. And once you have done all this, the next thing you gotta do is just press the create button. So once you have pressed the create button, ta-da, your content locker has been successfully created. So next thing we got to do is we got to place this content locker somewhere, right? So before that, we want to place this content locker in our website. You can actually go ahead and create your own website. I have my own website with WordPress, hostings and stuff like that. You can go ahead and create your own website. You can even use AWS to create your own website. If you don't know what AWS is, it's Amazon Web Services. You can go ahead and check on how to set up a website in Amazon Web Services. They will teach you step by step in Google itself. So you can use all that kind of method, but for that you need to purchase domain. But what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to give you every kind of free things that you can do, not even 1 cent that you have to spend to do this stuff. So it's absolutely free. So you're not going to purchase domain, we're not going to do anything. So we're going to use blogger.com. If you don't know what blogger.com is, Blogger is actually attached to it, your Gmail, something to do with your Gmail, Google. It's owned by Google, I think. So Blogger actually lets you to create a free blog. When you create a free blog, this is a sample free blog that I have. So your blog will be like this. This is instinct uploaded. For example, you can actually put how to make money online.blogspot.com. So it's totally free to create. So you can go ahead and create your blogger. So once you have actually created your blog, the next thing you got to do is you got to create a post or whatever. So we have already created a post, and next thing we want to do is we want to actually go ahead and place our content locker in our blog. So how we're gonna do that is very simple, guys. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. Let me just go into the blogger, my blogger. So once we have done that, go to here. You can go to your post that you want to edit. You can go and press the edit button, and then you go to the HTML button. Oh, it's already in HTML. You can actually, it will be like this. So you can actually go to the HTML button, scroll to the topmost bar, or you can actually scroll down if you want to. And then what happens is, usually I do it up. So what happens is you got to go to your CPAgrip where you made your content locker. This is the content locker that we made, right? So we're gonna press get a code. So once we press get a code, place the following script anywhere after opening a head or before closing your head tag on website that you wish to proceed. So we're just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna show you a sample on how it works. So we're just gonna copy this, and we're going to go ahead and paste it on top of this. So we paste it, and we are going to press the update button. So it's pretty simple. So the next time when you actually go to your blog, you will have actually a content locker appearing, and then if you actually unlock this content, you do the stuff and unlock this content, your website will be available to be seen or to be used or whatever, guys. So you have to unlock this content to get access to the website. So it's that simple to bring that content locker into your blog. See, I done it like pretty simple, right? I just done the template of CPAgrip, and then I copy paste the link into my blogger. So it's pretty simple. Now comes the $1 million question: how are you gonna drive traffic to your blogger? That is where we are going to use YouTube, guys. YouTube, everybody knows YouTube. You're watching, most probably you're watching this video in YouTube as well. So in YouTube, we are going to use YouTube as a medium to drive the traffic to our blog. So what we are going to do is we are going to do like an explanatory video. We are going to upload a video, so you can do any types of video. You can actually record video like what I'm doing now, or you can do explanatory videos. You can use Canva, you can use presentation slides, you can use a lot of stuff on how to do video, guys. I'm not going to go on depth on that, because if I'm going to talk about how to do a video, it's like going to take freaking a lot of time, guys. So so that's it. So you can actually go ahead, create your channel. If you don't know how to go ahead and create your channel, you can actually Google on how to create new YouTube account, and they will actually tell you step by step on how to do it. Let me just show you very simply, guys. So all you got to do is go to this part over here. Usually it will be sign in, so you can actually go ahead and add an account, and everything would be perfect. So that is how simple for you to create an account. So if you want to do a compilation video, a compilation video, or you want to do something like an editing, there is also a free software that you can use. Let me just show you the software. It's called the Shortcut. This is one of the most highest recommended, the one that I would highly recommend. It's super free, guys, and you can do a lot of stuff in this software. So go ahead and download this, and you can actually use this to edit stuffs and upload the video in YouTube. So we are just going to show you on how I already made a video. So I'm just going to upload the video in YouTube. It's just going to be like a lame, it's just going to be a video that I did previously. So yep, just for a sample, I'm just going to show you. So so all you got to do is just go to the folder and drag, or you can go to the YouTube and press and upload. So it's pretty simple, guys, to upload video in YouTube. And now comes the hard part. So once you have actually go to the YouTube, you have uploaded a video. So the title, you can name the title according to what you want. The description also, you can actually put the description as whatever that you want, guys. If you want to see how to write a proper YouTube description, you can go to other channels and see how they write their description, and literally follow them and actually modify them a little bit, and then you will actually know how to write a description. So it's pretty simple. And then comes the hard part, comes the tag. So if you all don't know what YouTube is actually a search engine, where I believe YouTube is a search engine where in YouTube you can actually go ahead, this is YouTube, right? Then you can just press, for example, I want to press how to make money online, and it will come like a lot of stuff on how to make money online. So it works similar like Google, but Google gives you to website, and this gives you to the video. So it's a search engine. So how do actually people get listed is when I press how to make money online over here, and this guy name came out over here, Kevin David. I actually follow him, he's quite good. So if this guy's name comes over here, you can actually go ahead, press his thing, and he will be using the how to make money in his tag. And to get this tag, usually if you do I'll show you guys. It's loading, let it load for a while. So he will have his how to make money online tag in his video itself. So usually you will not be able to see the tag. If you are just a normal user, you will not be able to see the tag. So what you have to do, if you cannot see the tag, is you can actually go and use free SEO tools to generate your own keywords. So one of the tools that I would highly recommend is Answer the Public. I've personally used this tool many times, but you can only use this tool once. So for example, you go and press something that you want to do, for example, money, and then you can actually get a lot of question. I shouldn't have pressed it. So you can actually get, oh my god, it's loading. Yeah. So if you get money, money spider rate, will money transfer on Sunday, will money left in trust, money who invented, who money bound, what money should I take to Croatia, when money dies, when money days, when money calls, which money compares. So there's a lot of keywords will come out if you just press one word. But remember guys, you can only use this once per day, so you use it wisely. I've already used, I don't know why I pressed it, I've already used it, so I cannot use it again. So the next thing the next tool that you can use is you can use the Uber Suggest. So in Uber Suggest, if you press, for example, money, it will actually come and give you a list of what is money. This is actually created by Neil Patel. Is a great SEO pro, guys. So if you can go and press money, you can see actually money search volume, this much people has searched it. SEO difficulty 64, paid difficulty easy. A lot of stuff will be around here, guys. So these are the stuffs that you can do if you want to use your SEO. These are the free SEO tools that you can use if you want to put tags in your YouTube, which would be here. And then also after you put the tags, oh no, let me just finish it. So if you're just lazy like me, what I would usually do is I will go to you need to download this first. So you need to download this. It's called, sorry, TubeBuddy. It's called TubeBuddy. So it's free to download, guys, so definitely go and download this. This is called TubeBuddy. It will be integrated with your YouTube channel. So once you have downloaded, you have installed the extension of TubeBuddy. I've already installed the extension of TubeBuddy. So if you go to any video, you want to make video regarding money, for example, and then you go to any video, you go and press how to make money online, and then Kevin Davis video comes out, and you press his video, and what would happen is,
let's check it out.
Why is it loading so long?
There are hundreds of beautiful templates.
I don't know why is it loading so long. Usually all the tags of that particular video would come out over here. It's loading, guys.
Skip this ad.
Something I think is freaking bad with my internet or something, I'm not sure. So usually the tags would be here. Why is it loading so slow? This guy is good as well, Franklin Hatchet. I follow him personally. Yeah, it would be there. If it's not there as well, there will be a lot of keywords related over here itself. Once you search, the TubeBuddy will actually show you make money online, work from home, earn money online, how to make money online as teenager, how to make money online fast, how to make money online 2019. So all these stuff will be here, and all this stuff can be used for you to actually put it in your tags so that your channel will be searched. Now comes the next question: how do you want to drive more traffic into your YouTube channel? Actually, this is like I'm teaching you like in depth of a lot of stuff, right? How to drive more traffic into YouTube. What you can do is you can go to Facebook, and you can go ahead and press YouTube, and you can sort it by groups, and you can see a lot of YouTube channels over here. As you can see, promote your channel. You can actually go and join this group and promote your channel, and a lot of people will actually see your channel. Or you can actually go ahead to other pages like channel pages. This is something that I would highly recommend, and you can work with them to promote your channel as well, and you can be driving insane amount of traffic to your channel. And then from your channel, you in the description of your channel, you have already put your blogger site. For example, my blogger site is this, so I've already put this in the description of the video. So when people see your video, they'll go to the description, they see the link over here, they will click the link, and it will lead them to your site, which is this. Let me just refresh this. So your site, which is this, and when they come to your site, there's a content locker where they actually have to unlock this content locker to get access to your site. And once they unlock this content locker, you will be get paid by CPAgrip. So that is how it works, guys. So I think I've covered on how you can actually make $100 per day with CPAgrip and free traffic. I hope this video was super beneficial for you. I think this video was quite long as well, but I did cover a lot of stuff in this video. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.